Hello and welcome to Let's Learn. In today's video, we are going to learn all about the letter W. Let's get started. W is for window. Window. W is for worm. Worm. W is for whale. Whale. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for water bottle. Water bottle. W is for watch. Watch. That's all about today. If you found it helpful, please give us a like as it really helps out the channel, and if you want to see more video like this, don't forget to subscribe to join the Let's Learn. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Goodbye.